Hello beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Mystical Annie. So today we are going to do a reading on the karmic and soul lessons which you are going in your life. So this will be a general reading for all signs, so please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings you can reach out to me. Alright, if any card in the reading appears in which the human body is not covered, I will not show those cards on the video, but I will definitely read out the card name and the message card is giving out for you, okay? And at the end we will also take some guidance from the angels and ancestors, so please stay till the end. Let's see what karmic and soul lessons you are going through right now in your life. What are the lessons you are going through? Okay. Alright, let me shuffle it once more. Now we'll see which area of your life you are being tested, basically. Okay. Once more, what is the guidance from your higher self? What's the guidance from your higher self? Alright. How can you move forward with grace in this situation? How can you move forward with grace in this situation? Alright, it's a devil card, so I will just keep it facing down, but I will read out it when the card turns out to be. And I will take one more card from the guidance from the angels. All right. What is the guidance to deal with this karmic and soul lessons? How can we overcome this challenge, this tough time? Okay, we have the guardian angel. Okay, let's see first. So right now I think you are struggling in your emotional life. Mainly you are not sure what do you have to choose. Maybe you are having so many options and you are trying to figure out which option will give you that emotional peace, emotional satisfaction. Why I am focusing on emotion is because it's cups and you are facing the issue in your emotional life, not on the financial part, not on your career, not on your work. For some of you, maybe. For most of you, I feel the issue is in your emotional, emotional connections you have in your life, or the emotional situations you come across, or having emotionally overwhelmed feeling. And you are kind of stuck between what do I need to do, what kind of people I need to have in my life so that I can have emotional peace instead of emotional turmoil, right? Basically, so you are kind of figuring out which connection, which people in your life are actually meant to bring that happiness, that peace in your life, rather than focusing on every single person you are connected to. Okay, so you are right now, I think, somewhere struggling and trying to figure out who the real people are and who are just putting a mask of being real, but intentionally or internally they are having some other thoughts or intentions for you, not the good ones. Okay, so you are somewhere struggling on figuring out which one, who are real and who are fake people in your life, because the area is like you are feeling lack of emotional connection, maybe for some of you with your partner, or if you are single watching this, you are looking for like whatever you have given till now at an emotional level in a connection, you did not get it back, and now you're closed off. You are like, I am done, I do not want to entertain anybody, and again feeling emotionally drained. But you are missing out that universe is always there to offer you positive people, or bring positive people in your life, offer good emotional connection in your life. But if you will keep yourself closed off, you will never grab that opportunity, right? So sometimes you need to work on opening yourself, keeping your guards down, so that you can let the right person come into your life. Okay, so given you have gone through so much at an emotional level that you are like, now I am done, I don't know what I have to do, so I am closed, I do not want to get myself hurt again, and I am not entertaining anything anymore. Okay, yeah, so advice for you here is to create balance. Don't just focus on your work or on your money. Okay, don't ignore or overlook your emotional needs, emotional that emotional bond or connection which you are actually craving for deep down, and you are trying to overlook it. You're thinking nobody understands me, there's no point in sharing what I'm going through, and let it be. I will keep my emotions to myself. I will keep whatever is running in my heart to myself, because there is nobody around me to hear me out or to understand me, basically. Okay, so you are being advised to create a balance in your work and your emotion. Don't just focus on money, focus on love, because this card is also saying that you need to be emotionally available too. Also, for some of you, as I said, you may be closed off and like, no, I will focus on myself. I'm not here to entertain anybody, but I am closed off. I will not express what is running in my mind. Rather, I would focus on my work and do minimal which is required in a connection or in the family or in the bond, whatever you're dealing with right now, right? So just don't overlook that. Try to create a balance. Try to give that emotional support so that you get that emotional support in return. Okay, so that is also for some of you. I see it's the happening, it's what is happening, right now. How you can move forward with grace is, actually the card is the devil card. Okay, but the card is saying that you need to let yourself set free. You need to set yourself free from any kind of assumptions if you have put in that. As I was saying, nobody is here, like you may feel like nobody is understanding me, so you need to get out of that assumption. Okay, you need to come out of that illusion. You need to set yourself free from that illusion or from that mindset or that mental trap. Okay, because once you set yourself free, only then you will come out of your fear of being hurt, fear of being misunderstood, fear of being unloved. Okay, so you need to come out of that illusion, that mindset. Only then you will see a bright future, because the message from the angels and ancestors coming here is that you are not alone. See, every soul has a angel around us who are working so hard so that we keep on moving ahead in our life with love and grace. Okay, so look for a sign. If you see a white feather around you out of nowhere, okay, out of nowhere, if you just come across a white feather maybe falling just right in front of your eyes, you're crossing a road and it just passes through, it's a very strong sign that your angels are around you and they are always loving you and supporting you and giving you all the strength you need to move ahead in your life. Okay, so don't focus on the lack, focus on what you need to be grateful for what you have. Focus on your blessings instead of focusing on what you do not have. Okay, and just believe that your angels are always loving you, guiding you. Listen to your intuition. Okay, and they are you're not alone. That's what the card is also saying, that. Okay, so don't feel like there is nobody who can understand you or basically cares for you. It's not the right thing. Okay, so just try to change your perspective and try to be open to whom you think are the real people in your life. Okay, so that's the reading, guys. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.